Good morning, traders. It is beautiful April 3rd. I would like to remind you in this video the importance of Fibonacci levels and pure price action in these markets. During months of March, trading room had been open only 9 days. Out of 18 trades, 16 trades reached Fibonacci targets. Let's go over a couple of things as we have historical formations playing out in the markets that you see exactly same Fibonacci levels and Fibonacci strategies on day trading charts. Here's the example of last week in the markets at key Fibonacci Reversal Zone. Take a look. This was Fibonacci support, trend inception. Trading room was open only 8 hours last week. 6 longs reached Fibonacci targets. Price came from this ultimate support until this reversal zone, where sell-off had started over Easter weekend. Are you surprised what's been playing out since yesterday morning? Monday morning, I continue warning you. This is reversal zone. This is where buyers will keep coming from. Have the buyers done so? Absolutely. What is the problem this morning with buyers? They reached this Fibonacci resistance. Look at that. This is ultimate test of the end of the minor trend. This is your day trading chart that's showing you very clearly bullish trend is minor. No matter what chart you trade, no matter if you trade 3-minute chart, no matter if you trade 5-minute chart, this is ultimate resistance you never enter into. Price still has plenty of space to the upside. All it has to do is break through this level. This is what we're dealing with this morning. This Fibonacci resistance and this Fibonacci support that been present in front of you for weeks. This is a chart we're monitoring very carefully as market remains in panic at Fibonacci support. However, buyers are weak. Price reminding you once again, when price reaches Fibonacci support, never ever short near, especially when it is reversal zone. So, this is what we're monitoring for in this area, as very sharp bullish pullbacks remain non-stop, which is ultimate day trading nightmare, where market testing you for knowledge of pure price. Look at this volatility and look at this reminder. This very sharp bullish pullbacks continue playing out since yesterday morning. For how many points already? Non-stop. Look at that. Quite a number. 8 points on 1-minute chart. However, buyers remain extremely weak. We're dealing with extreme volatility traders when price is testing you for knowledge and execution to the core of your day trading abilities. This is only bullish correction. This is not bullish reversal. But because volatility in the market's extremely high, market formations even on 1-minute chart extremely powerful. So if you know where Fibonacci levels are, you never short into reversal zone. You never short into support. You never buy into resistance. And that's what price does each and every time, no matter what you trade. No matter if it's S&P day trading chart, no matter if it's S&P long-term investment chart that's been present in front of you for years. Remember this trend inception, where buyers came from? Remember how much price struggled at this resistance? All these levels been present in front of you for years. This is your brick wall in 2016. This is exact same level we're dealing with right now on day trading chart. As buyers picking up this theme, anyone surprised? How did we know? Fibonacci said so. Never ever ever short into reversal zone. Buyers picking up this theme. Execution and knowledge is the key to everything. Shorting into reversal zone and Fibonacci support, never an option. And that's what price does every time, no matter what instrument you trade. Knowledgeable trader who knows the rules knows it extremely well. Combination of three essential factors: knowledge, execution, patience and discipline, especially in these market conditions, are the key to your trading success as well as your investment decisions. If you see sell-off that played out on hourly from this Fibonacci reversal zone to this Fibonacci reversal zone, this is exact same thing that playing out on your long-term investment decisions. It's all the same formula. This is the only thing, this Fibonacci support, that's holding this sell-off. As we continue dealing with very dangerous market formations and S&P testing you to the core, I would like to remind you, this exact same Fibonacci resistance you see in front of you on this beautiful April 3rd, that remains major obstacle for the trend to continue further up, is exactly what played out on your investment chart on S&P Weekly. Remember this level in 2016? Remember exact same famous reversal zone at 1800 number? How many months did it take S&P to break through this level? More than 6. When S&P finally did, it continued on to the next level, as identified in advance, until it reached famous reversal zone. And that's exact same strategy you're witnessing in front of you daily on S&P baby chart. All in front of you every day. The only difference, you don't have to wait for days, weeks and months to see the accuracy of the method. You see it instantly, to the tick, no matter what chart you trade. You see the importance of reversal zone. You see the importance of the end of the minor trend, as we dealt with again this morning. So, buyers picking up this theme from this Fibonacci support that's been present in front of you for days. Knowledgeable trader monitors for the rules to be met. Last week, market was flawless. This second day in a row, market extremely painful. Last week, buyers were powerful. Today, buyers remain weak. Second day in a row. However, price reminding you, this is not the place to short near. And that's where buyers keep coming from. All we need to do is wait for the rules to be met. Rules are met, take a trade. Rules are not met. Do not touch the market. No matter what instrument you trade, strategies remain the same. Risk management and trader psychology is the only difference. Exact same thing as you seeing happen on S&P, happening on Amazon. Level identified years in advance where Amazon collapsed from in a play. Exact same reversal zone as you see in front of you daily on S&P hourly. Identical strategy. This morning reversal zone is ultimate support. Last week was ultimate reversal. Identical strategy as on Amazon weekly as on S&P weekly. Identical strategy as on Tesla weekly. On Tesla, sell-off had started last year, traders. Huge difference between Amazon and Tesla. On Tesla was holding this key Fibonacci support. Bright pink line is out last week. That's key Fibonacci resistance on S&P this morning. Identical strategy. It's all the same. What you will choose to trade after you learn the method, absolutely up to you. Exact same formula on Facebook. Where Facebook collapsed from. No surprise. And that is constant. And that's what's in a play in front of you every day in a trading room. I convert every single trade, every single chart to 1-minute chart, so you can see instantly the accuracy of the method. This level is out, S&P will skyrocket next to this level and this level. Knowing where to enter your position, knowing how to place your orders is a key. This remains brick wall, which you witnessed in a play at the open. So again, well before price will skyrocket and break through this level, just like it's done on weekly chart, taking only 6 months to do so, in summer of 2016, this is what you're witnessing in front of you on S&P right now. Weekly, 6 months. How many hours will it take on S&P? This level is out, this level is next, then this one. And this is where fun will begin, with selling pressure. Time and time again, it's exact same formula. This is what's holding the key now. 3rd hour in a row, end of minor trend. So, what you're witnessing once again is Fibonacci, the only natural predictive tool in the market. Levels present in front of you since last week, in a place this morning. To the tick. Price reminding you, this is ultimate support. This is ultimate day trading reversal zone, not the place to short into. No matter if you trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 5-minute chart, this is the levels identified by price days in advance. So, if you know where Fibonacci levels are, if you know Fibonacci strategies and proprietary Fibonacci tool, all you have to do is identify what you want to trade. Is it Amazon? Is it Apple? Is it Euro? Is it ETFs? Is it stocks? Is it options? Choice is yours. We are at the start of historical formations that played out only every 5, 8, 13 years. Volatility will become more powerful. Formations will become more volatile. Your knowledge and your execution will be tested to the core. If you know where Fibonacci levels are, if you know what separates spectacular correction from reversal, you know in advance where ultimate brick wall, ultimate resistance is. This resistance is out. You will see this next and next, as you saw on S&P weekly and monthly identified years in advance. Just a reminder, this is monthly chart that's been present in front of you since 2011. Since 2011, you knew extremely well where Fibonacci support at 1800 is and what 2800 means. It's a reversal zone, ladies and gentlemen. This famous 1800 number became ultimate trend inception on weekly. And again, bullish rally from Fibonacci Reversal Zone that struggled for 6 months, and this Fibonacci resistance skyrocketed next to 2300 and followed all the way to this reversal zone. No surprise whatsoever, none, as Fibonacci said so years in advance on monthly. And that's what you're witnessing in front of you each and every day on day trading hourly chart. And that's where S&P is now, struggling immensely. No matter what chart you use, no matter if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11-minute chart, accuracy remains the same. Identical formula. Choice is yours, what you will choose to trade. So, we are taking a well-deserved break, and we remember, only if you play by the rules, the sky's the limit. This level is out, this is where S&P will go to. Exact same dance as it's done on weekly and monthly. Exact same dance as it's done on Amazon, Euro, Pound, Facebook. Any instrument you will choose to trade, as price action remains the same everywhere. So, if you would like to join us in the course, pretty please come to the website and review the information under Learn. All classes are live, modules only supplemental. Group course 8 weeks, private mentoring 16 includes all the group classes. Most important part of the website as always, listen to graduates and what they trade. As graduates of the course from beginner to hedge fund trader, trading the method in US and globally. So pretty please review the information and never hesitate to contact me. Contact under Contact Us page 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As I warned you, S&P in pain. Marvelous time to take a break. Again. So here we go, traders. Key moment on S&P. The short on S&P is in the progress at key Fibonacci support from key Fibonacci resistance. Remember earlier we dealt with Fibonacci support. Now we are at resistance. And we have space until reversal zone. But this is an obstacle to the downside that's holding the key to this collapse. So, will S&P respect this support exact same fashion as Apple had done in 2016 when Apple was at 91 and reached key Fibonacci resistance? Exact same formula playing out in front of you right now. Key support now on S&P. Knowledgeable trader knows what to do with his position. Knowledgeable trader knows this is firmly counter trend trade. to the tick price doing exact same thing as Apple. My goodness, is that possible? That Fibonacci is so accurate? Absolutely. That's the reason top hedge fund in US using Fibonacci. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we stayed out through all the pain, all the torture. We played by the rules. We witnessed ultimate Fibonacci reversal zone in front of you this morning. We witnessed ultimate Fibonacci reversal zone at this level, 4th hour in a row. So, knowledgeable trader knows extremely well this is your key target. Moving your stop outside of break-even is crucial. What you will choose to trade after you learn the method, absolutely up to you. As once again S&P moving in the right direction, with thanking Fibonacci time and time again. Everything in front of you completely proprietary. Everything in front of you I developed with my own sweat and tears in 2008, when I learned my lesson very, very clearly. That relying on fundamentals or indicators is silly thing to do. When I started witnessing that market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle time and time again. No ifs or buts about it. And that's what you're witnessing in a trading room every day. And that's the reason hedge fund managers and hedge fund traders taking the course alongside beginner traders. What you will choose to trade, what account size you trade, absolutely up to you. As expected, 5 points later, knowledgeable trader who moved his stop outside of break-even, seeing pretty impressive reversal. In the course you learn, it is your key target. Exact same importance of decision point to key Fibonacci target you witnessing on little day trading chart is exactly what was ultimate support on monthly. Remember famous 1800 that's been present in the room since 2011? This is your monthly levels. This is decision point 2 that became key support. That's again key support on 1 minute chart. And key resistance, end of minor trend in front of you. Exact same place where Apple is now. More time I spend with Fibonacci, more I recognize that market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Using anything else is simply afterthought. And that's exactly what Renaissance Fund is using. Renaissance hedge fund family fund based in New York, widely considered the most successful and the most secretive hedge fund in the world, using Fibonacci. Is that possible? Absolutely. And that's what you're witnessing in the room every day. Except everything in front of you completely proprietary and this accurate. So, taking a course is a shortcut to your success. All you have to do, play by the rules. What you will decide to trade, absolutely up to you. Before I close for today, on April 3rd, I would like to remind you, we're still at this Fibonacci resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours later. In exact same place where Apple had been for months. Exact same place that took S&P weekly to break through 6 months. So, exact same formula applies to any instrument, any time frame you will choose to trade. If you know where Fibonacci levels are, all you have to do, play by the rules.